We got a Whelen. It is a Whelen Vortex R4. I'm in Wilmington, Ohio. It's a Whelen Vortex R4. They're tested first Saturday of each month at noon. Oh, so they changed it. Pretty sure it used to be Wednesday. But yeah, so right here we have, this is what was replaced over there on this pole. There used to be a thunder beam over there on this pole. Why is it? There used to be a thunder beam on that pole right there. But it was replaced by that Whelen sometime around 2015 or so, I think. But yeah, here's the pole that the thunder beam used to sit on. I'm in Wilmington, Ohio. It's to where this is at. But yeah, here it is. It's the beam that it used to sit on. You can see some of the wires and everything. Yep, you can see the wire right here would probably be the control panel, and obviously the wire would go up to the siren, and it's connected to that. But yeah, see you guys. As I'm walking back, there also used to be a few Thunderbolts here. If they were still here, I wouldn't be going for this one. I wouldn't be looking at this one. I'd be looking at the Thunderbolts.